Among the planets of our solar system, Mercury stands out not just for its proximity to the Sun but for a secret buried in its core. Today, we unravel the story of a cosmic collision that stripped Mercury of its outer layers, leaving the smallest planet a shadow of its former self. Over 4 billion years ago, during the chaotic early days of the solar system, Mercury was likely a larger planet with a thick mantle and crust. But then, a catastrophic event reshaped its destiny. A massive planetoid, potentially the size of Mars, hurtled towards Mercury. The impact was unavoidable. The collision was apocalyptic. The immense energy from the impact obliterated Mercury's outer crust and much of its mantle, ejecting billions of tons of material into space. What remained was a planet stripped to its core, quite literally. Today, Mercury is unique. Its iron core makes up nearly 85% of its volume, a higher percentage than any other planet. This metallic heart explains the planet's extreme density and the faint magnetic field it still retains, despite its small size. Scientists theorize that Mercury's exposed core provides a window into planetary formation processes. It's a rare glimpse at the building blocks of a planet, stripped bare by cosmic violence. The story of Mercury is a reminder of the chaos that shaped our solar system. A violent past transformed it into a metal-rich survivor, orbiting closest to the Sun, a testament to the raw power of planetary collisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories about the wonders of the cosmos.